Hello YouTube, this video is going to document the install of the Duraclutch and do a few speed tests and compare them to some speed tests that were done before the Duraclutch. The reason that I've gone to the Duraclutch is the way it engages. It engages right off the get-go and has great low-end control of your power. And with the technical driving that we do, that seemed to be the best path to go on. So let's get on into the install. Okay, so here's the stock clutch fixing to come off. Secondary's on. Just fixing to stick the primary on. This is the primary. Got this neat little clutch, internal clutch deal. Notice how both the inside and outside sheaves have their own clutch they grab. That is what grabs immediately. The new Duraclutch is installed. The stock clutch, you need to get up to a few thousand RPMs before it grabs. The Duraclutch grabs at like 1200 RPMs. Alright, so here's the old clutch. So here's a comparison. On the left side is before the Duraclutch, the right side's after the Duraclutch. I actually could get to 60 miles an hour 2 seconds faster with the Duraclutch, but the other times were relatively slow. Part of that is due to the fact that the Duraclutch grabs so quick that it's easy to just peel out the tires. You get instant power, where the other clutch, I could floor it and it wouldn't peel the tires and got a little better traction. So here's the results in low gear, and I really had to be careful when I floored it with the Duraclutch because it just wanted to spin out. So I actually did not have as good a time either due to that fact. So the takeaway here is if you're going to try to race, Duraclutch isn't what you want. It's not going to give you your top speed. It's definitely going to give you a better crawl speed. I had way more power down in the first few thousand RPMs, which is what you're going to be using crawling up rocks and stuff. And that's really what I got it for, was to excel in that kind of terrain. The Duraclutch was never advertised to be a high-speed type of clutch. It is good at the lower stuff. And so this did show that the Black Max clutch kit was not all that bad. It actually did pretty good. In a few weeks, we're going to get out up into the mountains, somewhere up in New Mexico, Robledos or Donanas. We'll highlight how the extra power at the lower RPMs is working. I hope you enjoyed this review, and thanks for stopping by.